In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Buy button feature on Shopify. This tool is incredibly useful for integrating product purchasing links into your blog or website, allowing customers to shop seamlessly without needing to visit your full online store. Let's get started and break down the process step by step. To begin, we'll head over to the Shopify App Store. Once there, you're going to search for Buy button. The Buy button is one of the e-commerce plugins available, and it's specifically designed for online stores that want to enhance accessibility by embedding product links directly onto various web pages. This functionality not only aids in expanding your sales reach, but also streamlines the shopping process for your customers. After performing the search, click on the option to open the app. The interface will be user-friendly and guide you through the necessary steps. Once the app dashboard loads, you'll see various features and functionalities. For our purpose today, we're focused on creating a new Buy button. Once in the right place, you'll see an option that prompts you to create a Buy button. Go ahead and click on this option. This action sets the stage for customizing how you present your products on external platforms, such as a personal blog or an affiliate website. As we move forward, you'll find an option that is highly recommended for showcasing a single product on a blog page or another type of website. This feature is especially useful when you're writing a product review or want to highlight a specific item directly within your content. By using the Buy button in this way, you're making it easier for your audience to make quick purchasing decisions right from your article or website. Next, you'll need to click on Select Product. This will open up your product catalog within Shopify. You'll be able to browse through all the items you currently have listed in your store. Take your time to decide which product you want to feature. If you have a product in mind already, you can use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you've selected the perfect item, the next step is to customize how it is displayed with the Buy button. During the customization process, you'll have options to adjust the appearance of the button to match your website's theme or personal branding. You can tweak colors, button text, and overall style. Remember that consistency in design can help maintain a professional look, so try to align the button with your site's existing design elements. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Buy button for your product, seamlessly integrating it onto your blog or website. This enhancement not only increases the convenience for your customers, but also an opportunity for you to drive more sales outside your Shopify store.